First time ever, an object from interstellar space has been observed to visit our solar system.
In the boundless canvas of the universe, humanity's knowledge is but a speck, with mysteries and possibilities unfurling far beyond our understanding. The enigmatic presence of the interstellar visitor, Oumuamua, stands testament to the myriad secrets the cosmos shields from our gaze, igniting imaginations and speculations about extraterrestrial existence. This celestial anomaly, unlike anything encountered before, beckoned scientists and enthusiasts alike with its whisper of otherworldly tales. It was within this aura of mystery and anticipation that astrophysicist Neil deGrasse Tyson revealed previously classified riveting images of Oumuamua, taking us a step closer to deciphering its cryptic message. But what are the tales encrypted in Oumuamua's silent traverse through the stars? What is the elusive Yorpi effect, and how does it intertwine with our interstellar guest's narrative? Each question unravels a layer, pulling us deeper into a mesmerizing dance of intrigue and discovery. Join universal narratives in a celestial dance through the cosmos, guided by Neil deGrasse Tyson's insights. Together, we'll unravel the mysteries of Oumuamua and unearth the treasured stories the universe whispers. Embark on this captivating journey with us. In 2017, the scientific community and the public at large witnessed a discovery of monumental significance. Through the lens of the Pan-STARRS 1 telescope, Rob Wark made an observation that brought our cosmic understanding into a new dawn. An aberrant object, later named Oumuamua, was seen gracefully traversing through the void, heading in Earth's direction. The arrival of this celestial enigma set the stage for a deep and transformative rethinking of space, its expansive possibilities, and the mysteries it harbors. Despite the flurry of attention it garnered, Oumuamua remained a puzzle wrapped in layers of mystery, with our collective knowledge about it staying quite constrained. However, as a response to the swelling public fascination, eminent astrophysicist Neil deGrasse Tyson decided to bring to light some previously sealed and highly confidential images of the elusive visitor, providing a more intimate gaze into its essence and the cosmic riddles it embodies. Before delving deeper into the secrets potentially unlocked by these unveiled images, it's pivotal to appreciate the hypnotic allure of Oumuamua itself. On the 19th day of October in 2017, the skies above the Haleakala Observatory in Hawaii bore witness to a discovery that was nothing short of revolutionary. Initially, the object was believed to be either a comet or an asteroid. Still, as further analysis was conducted, it became evident that Oumuamua was not just another celestial body. It was identified as the very first interstellar object detected within our solar system's bounds. Its eccentric orbit and the blistering speed at which it traveled led the researchers to conclude that its origin was from beyond our immediate cosmic neighborhood, earning it the Hawaiian name Oumuamua, which translates to a messenger from afar, arriving first. As scientists devoted more time and scrutiny to its observation, they noted that the object exhibited fluctuations in brightness, swinging wildly up to 2.1 magnitudes. These erratic luminosity changes were perplexing and begged for an explanation. The scientific community deduced that Oumuamua must possess an extremely elongated shape, its length approximately 5 to 10 times its width, which might account for its unusual brightness variations. This peculiar form sparked a myriad of theories and hypotheses, each attempting to unravel the mysteries of its origin and the reason behind its visit to our solar system. One such theory suggests that the gravitational tides from a star could have caused Oumuamua's stretched appearance. When an object comes close to a star, the intense gravitational forces it experiences can cause it to stretch significantly. However, while this might explain the cigar-like appearance of Oumuamua, it struggles to account for the specific dimensions and proportions that have been observed. To glean more insight into the enigmatic shape of Oumuamua, astronomers have looked at objects within our solar system that bear some resemblance, like asteroid 25143 Itokawa. Studying these objects has provided invaluable information, helping us understand how such objects form and evolve over time. However, despite sharing some similarities, Oumuamua and Itokawa are distinctly different, particularly in their proportions and the absence of a tail in the former. One of the most striking features of Oumuamua is its acceleration. As it entered our solar system, it maintained a remarkable speed, akin to a bicycle mysteriously accelerating without any visible pedaling. Its trajectory was equally astonishing, moving very close to the Sun before continuing its journey below the planetary plane of our solar system. The velocity it exhibited, approximately 196,000 miles per hour, was unmatched by any human-made object, pointing to a substantial amount of kinetic energy propelling it through space. This exceptional speed led scientists to hypothesize that Oumuamua might have originated from a binary star system, where gravitational interactions could eject objects at high velocities. If this was the case, the gravitational forces of the stars in such a system could have propelled Oumuamua on its interstellar journey, accounting for its incredible speed. However, other possibilities were also considered. Its velocity might have been the result of interactions with celestial bodies in its home star system, with gravitational slingshots from planets or other sizable objects propelling it to the observed speeds. This mechanism is well known and is often leveraged by space missions, using the gravitational pull of planets to gain speed during flybys. Yet the story of Oumuamua is far from straightforward. It holds many more secrets, with studies revealing intriguing details about its composition. Its outer layer is thick and reminiscent of a cosmic shell, composed of carbon-rich materials solidified from the relentless bombardment of cosmic radiation it endured during its extensive interstellar travels. Beneath this hardened exterior, Oumuamua reveals its dense core, primarily made of rock with possible metallic elements. What sets it apart from typical comets or icy celestial bodies is its lack of water or ice, along with a reddish tint on its surface, likely acquired from prolonged exposure to cosmic rays over hundreds of millions of years. Scientists have speculated that its speed might be directly related to its unique shape and composition. Some even suggested that Oumuamua might not be a natural object at all, but rather an artificially crafted probe or piece of equipment, meticulously created by an advanced extraterrestrial civilization for exploration purposes. This theory, while provocative and highly controversial, was supported by some in the scientific community. They believed that Oumuamua's unique features, like its elongated structure and unusual acceleration, might indicate an artificial origin. However, it is crucial to note that many in the scientific community were skeptical of these claims, with the prevailing view being that Oumuamua is likely a natural object, and its strange properties are the result of natural processes and phenomena. As the discussion around Oumuamua continued, researchers combined brightness measurements from multiple telescopes to investigate its rotation period. The resulting data suggested that the object was in an excited rotational state, tumbling through space in a way previously unseen. This peculiar motion, combined with its high speed and unique shape, has continued to baffle and intrigue scientists, leading to various theories attempting to explain its behavior and origin. The arrival of Oumuamua in our solar system was not just a significant event for the scientific community, but also a moment that captured the public imagination. It has prompted us to ask deeper questions about our place in the universe, the nature of the objects that inhabit it, and the potential for life beyond Earth. As we continue to explore and study this mysterious visitor, we should approach it with an open mind, ready to consider all possibilities, no matter how outlandish they might seem. The universe is vast, ancient, and full of wonders yet to be discovered. Our journey of exploration and understanding is just beginning, and objects like Oumuamua serve as tantalizing glimpses of the mysteries that await us in the cosmic expanse. With continued research and analysis, we may yet unravel the secrets of Oumuamua, and in doing so, learn more about the universe and our place within it.